What's going on? Welcome back to Breezy Acres. Okay, I got a couple hours here before dinner, so we're going to work on our round pen. So you can see here, got the tractor here. I spray painted out the circle. It's going to be a 40-foot round pen, and I got to dig 16 post holes. So we're going to give this a go with the BX23S. With our Princess Auto post hole digger. I think this is a 4-inch auger, and I'm doing 4x4 posts, so we'll dig a test one here and make sure the post fits in it. Alright, day 2 here on the round pen build, and I actually did get, I forgot to film it, but I got all the posts were already cut that I milled earlier. And last night I just kind of burnt the bottoms to kind of treat them. But I think what I'm going to do is just put some of this farmer stain, which is like half diesel, half used motor oil, and just coat the bottoms of the posts yet. And then we'll probably eventually do the whole posts, but I think we'll do that just to further weatherproof it or bug and rot proof it. Alright, of course it's starting to rain now. So now we just gotta backfill all these. Now what I generally use is my boots and this 1x2. I find this 1x2, I probably used it to backfill like 200 post holes. And it's just good because when you have a tight hole like this, it still fits in between there, where a 2x2 doesn't seem to work. Or this might be a 1x3, I don't know. But this one gets right in the edges very good, and now it's got a curve on it, so it makes it even easier.